So hi everyone, I'm Kirti. So today I'm going to talk about from AWS EC2 a beginner's roadmap to cloud independence. So you may ask why this one means to own infrastructure instead of renting it. I discovered Cozystack while exploring Kubernetes and AWS. Need to start building your own private cloud. You need clarity and knowing change the way I see cloud. Now the core question. So we all have been using AWS and to deploy apps and then using the services and pay money for their ecosystem. So Cozystack flips the model. Instead of you build your own control over cost, data, and architecture, and all of it using the familiar Kubernetes API. And does Cozystack solve? So we know that public clouds are powerful but super expensive. Setup is complicated and timing. Cozystack solves three core problems: cost control, cloud independent, deploy apps only. You get to deploy apps and the whole infrastructure stack. So Cozystack is an open source Kubernetes native platform that lets you build cloud metal or existing virtual machines. It provides managed Kubernetes cluster, databases as a service, virtual machine networking. It is similar to AWS, but it's self-hosted and cost-efficient. So, in simple terms, we understand the own AWS, but powered by Kubernetes. And here's the architecture of Kubernetes. Cozystack. We have four layers. The first one is the OS, the bare metal one, and then second layer we have Telos, and operating system is optimized only for Kubernetes. And then we have the third layer is Kubernetes base and fourth platform and user services. From AWS EC2 to Cozystack. So AWS networking, uh, storage, while Cozystack extends the concept into private cloud. It lets us build our own cloud platform and with the same goals, run workloads, managing applications. But the only key difference is you get to own and operate the cloud platform yourself, cloud consumer to cloud builder. It's so the managed services, which poses tech. So we know that AWS provides EC2, S3, and in Cozystack we have managed in place of EKS. We have virtual machines, volumes, balance. Yes. So all these are provisioned using Kubernetes API and operators behind the scenes. We will talk about multi-tenancy, and multi-tenancy means multiple teams, users, or customers share this infrastructure while staying fully and secure. So each tenant gets its own environment resource role. Also, one cool thing about Cozystack is that it supports hard multi-tenancy. The soft one can be done by namespaces, and the hard multi-tenancy using virtualization affect each other. So basically, it solves that noisy neighbor problem. And then you just installer boots UI automatically, and platform services appear on the dashboard. And if you want to add uses them by Helm charts. So no custom controllers or patching API servers. And then who should use Cozystack? So startups who are avoiding will shock or AI or workload teams, edge workload, and then government sectors, and even the students and beginners who are learning real cloud infra, they should definitely use and explore. Thank you, everyone. And Cozystack really is cool because it empowers developers to move from. If you want to explore more, you can scan this QR code and you can read the documentation yourself. It's pretty amazing. Explore Cozystack, and I hope this helps.
So maybe somebody has some questions while we are waiting. Oh, yes, we have a question from Jonathan. What features from a present in Cozystack, if any? I think Timofey, I think you can answer that question because you know this deeply. Presenter, please answer if you can.
Yeah, I can. It's just that this meeting interface is a bit fiddly. What does Cozystack? What doesn't Cozystack have that a typical cloud? Well, I can talk at length about that, but I do think it will be much more valuable. What she found that Cozystack was lacking as a user of Cozystack.
We don't have WordPress and Drupal on our dashboard for sure.
Yes, and we're working in that direction, but we're not at the level of the big four yet.
So how much could be tech versus AWS for a small medium business use case? Some ROI calculator on our website, and if you need it, link with you, but it's not Cozystack site, unfortunately. It's more commercial website. Sorry, I need to share that for community. Thanks, Kirti. I think it was great. And if somebody hyperscalers, you can join our Cozystack community group in CNCF Slack or in Telegram itself, and ask a lot of questions about migration, and our community will answer, or maybe we. So thanks, Kirti.